May Allah Azza wa Jal send many blessings upon Madani channel and especially Ameer Ahle Sunnat. From Rocket, UK, and Islamic sister Farida Kausar writes, I am always in poor health. In my dreams, I have been bitten by a large snake many times, also by a dog once. I once dreamed that a snake was around my husband's neck. Please can you dua for us and tell us Rohani Ilaj, Jazakallah.
May Allah Azza wa Jal rectify all afflictions of this Islamic sister. Before going to bed, recite Ya Mutakabbiru 21 times if nightmares occur. Inshallah Azza wa Jal, all nightmares will disappear. Duration of treatment until acquiring cure. Looking snakes in dreams is a sign of enemy. Therefore, anyone who recites Ya Qabidu 30 times daily will have victory over his enemies.
Inshallah Azza wa Jal.